Hello, brilliant minds. Now let's look at this problem. Solve 4 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to 80. Now what's the first thing to do? Now we are going to express this 4 in index form. Now the index form of 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2. Now let's turn this equation to 2 raised to the power of 2. We already have x here, plus 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to 80. Alright, so now we express this as 2 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 1 equals to 80. Alright, so now let 2 raised to the power of x to be equals to k. So we have that, so this equation turns to k raised to the power of 2 plus 2k. Alright, this is k, so k times 2 is 2k equals to 80. Alright, so we have k squared plus 2k minus 80 equals to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Alright, so now let's find a way of solving this. So we look for the sum and product. The sum is positive 2 while the product is negative 80. So two numbers such that when you add together you have 2, and when multiplied together you have negative 80. What are the two numbers? We have positive 10 and negative 8. So this equation turns to k squared plus 10k minus 8k minus 80 equals to 0. Okay, so this 2k here have turned to 10k minus 8k. Alright, so let's find the GCD of these two numbers, two terms. Okay, so we have k. When you divide k squared by k, you have k. Now 10k divided by k, you have 10. Now the GCD of these two numbers, we have negative 8. So we have k plus 10. Don't forget the sign we change here. Right? Okay, so now this is the common factor here. The GCD, we have k plus 10 and k minus 8 equals to 0. So we have two numbers multiplying each other to have 0. So it's either k plus 10 is 0 or k minus 8 is 0. So k is negative 10 or k is what? 8. Now don't forget k is 2 raised to the power of x. So we have 2 raised to the power of x equals to negative 10 or 2 raised to the power of x equals to 8. So here the solution does not exist here, alright, because we have a negative 10 here. Okay, so now let's move down here. So we have 2 raised to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so now you can see we have same base, so we can equate the power. So therefore x equals to 3. So I want to believe you've learned one or two things. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe, and also don't forget to drop your thoughts. Thanks for watching.